Okay, let's go over the human muscles now. We'll start up here. This is the temporalis muscle, which attaches to the temporal bone. Masseter, which we use to chew. In the neck, missing on this side, but is over on this side, is our sternocleidomastoideus that would be going into the neck. On the front of the chest, we have pectoralis major and pectoralis minor. We have rectus abdominis. We have external obliques, internal obliques, and then on the inside, those running across would be transversus abdominis. Whoops, there went the leg. On the back, we have trapezius muscle, which the trapezius goes from the neck all the way down, basically to the spine. Latissimus dorsi, where you would hold somebody if you were dancing, for instance. Then we have supraspinatus and infraspinatus. The back of the arm, we have the long head of the triceps. On the shoulder, we have deltoideus muscle. On the back side of the arm, we have the lateral head of the triceps. And then on the inside of the arm, which this one is not great for, but we have this arm to show you a little bit better. This one is your Popeye muscle, which is biceps brachii. And then on this one, you can see a little bit better. This is the long head of the triceps, and this is the lateral head of the triceps. You can't see the intermediate head because it's down deep. In between the biceps brachii and the triceps brachii, you have brachialis, which wraps around the humerus. This one on the inside is subscapularis. In the butt muscles then, we have gluteus maximus, then gluteus medius, where you would normally get a shot, gluteus minimus, and then this muscle is piriformis, and piriformis runs right along the sciatic nerve, so piriformis causes people a lot of problems. It can get really tight and cause sciatica. If we look at the leg muscles, we start in the front of the leg muscles, and we start at the blood vessels and work our way in. So the first muscle that we come to is pectineus. Then the next one in is adductor longus. And then we have gracilis, which is like the inner flabby thigh muscle. And then we have adductor magnus. Adductor magnus runs right underneath gracilis. Then we have semimembranosus, semitendinosus, then biceps femoris. Then underneath, tensor fasciae latae, and tensor fasciae latae is also known as the iliotibial tract. We have vastus lateralis. As we come around to the front of the leg then, we have rectus femoris, vastus medialis. Underneath rectus would be vastus intermedius. We can't see that one as well. Then inside here, we have iliacus, which runs all along the ilium. And we have psoas major, this big long strap here. And you can see iliacus comes down here. Psoas major normally shows itself just a little bit on the outside. But we always start with the blood vessels and work our way in. So again, pectineus, adductor longus, gracilis, adductor magnus, semimembranosus, semitendinosus, biceps femoris, tensor fasciae latae, vastus lateralis, rectus femoris, vastus medialis, iliacus, psoas major. Then this long strap, which actually goes from our hip all the way down to our knee, is Sartorius.